Hello, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and I Forgot with Nancy. So I got a nice big size of mustard because I love mustard. It's one condiment that I know I can have. So I'm going to try to put them in these jars and stick them in the refrigerator because I use this a lot. I use mustard a lot, and so since instead of just buying the little bottles or the regular size bottles and I went out and had to wait, I just went ahead and got me this nice big one. So we're going to see, adjust this camera, if how much will fit into, this is a quart size jar now. And when I was, this has always been my favorite. And yes, I could lick the mustard right off the cap. So, we're going to see. Of course, you know, give it a good stir. If you can. We'll put that there. And we're going to see how much mustard goes into a quart jar. Alright, so that's 1 quart jar. I don't think 2 quart jars are going to be enough. Alright. I think I need 1 more. Alrighty. Alright, here we go. This is number 3. Oh, we might. Alright, so that's what's left in there. So we're going to try to get the rest of it in this jar. And this is kind of an awkward. But I don't want to leave any behind. Alrighty. So without having a nice big scoop to get in there. Alright. There we go. So basically, I got mustard all over me. 3 quart jars. And what's in there, I'll put the top on, set it upside down so gravity can do its job. And do I have yellow on my mouth? No, so I was put tops on these. So I got 2 tops. But kind of just you let it settle. And there you go. I'm gonna stick it right in the fridge. You know, I will use this a lot. So, we got 1 jar, 2 jars, 3 jars of mustard from that's 3 quart sizes from a 6-pound and 9-ounce tub of mustard. It's 100, net weight is 105 ounces, total is 6 pounds and 9 ounces. If you left the mustard in there, you know, there you go. So this is what I did with my mustard. Put it in quart jars, put it in the refrigerator, and yes, y'all start seeing dishes with mustards. I love honey mustard, and I'll show you how to make your own honey mustard. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Now for Gall with Nancy.